Shiba Inu all-time highs could be coming sooner than you think. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I am your host Umar Khan, and today we're taking a look at a very exciting news and bullish news for Shiba Inu and what's coming next for Shiba Inu. Are we going to see Shiba Inu hit some all-time highs in May? That's quite possibly what Shiba Inu could be setting up for. Shiba Inu has been down in the past couple of weeks and looks like we're starting to make a swift recovery. So very exciting things ahead for Shiba Inu. Before we start the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below to reach your 2024 crypto goals. Now let's go ahead and take a look at what the heck is going on with Shiba Inu. In terms of top meme coins, guys, Shiba Inu is currently at number 2. Earlier today, we're talking about Dogecoin, so make sure you check out that video. That was the last upload. But we can see exciting things happening within the meme coin space with a $52 billion market cap and 2 coins holding a bulk of the market cap. Dogecoin currently at $21 billion and Shiba Inu lacking just a little behind at $15 billion. So a $6 billion difference, guys, or a little bit more than $6 billion difference. Could Shiba Inu catch up to Dogecoin? That could be absolutely insane. If that flips, it could be game over for Shiba Inu and Shiba Inu holders. So many exciting things ahead for Shiba Inu. Especially the main thing, guys, is Shiba Inu's in the red right now, down 4% on the day. In terms of the week, yes, we're up 10%. But in terms of the month, guys, we're still down a whopping 17%. So it's still a great time to buy in. We see people posting on the tab. Again, bullish for Shiba Inu. It looks like the movement will begin in the meme tokens. Analysts who called Shiba Inu previous 220% rally signs for another significant surge in the following breakout. Again, people are very, very bullish for Shiba Inu. And again, this is a community-based meme coin, right? So you want to see a community getting rallied behind, getting bullish for the project, right? Also, remember, Shiba Inu is not just a meme token. There are massive utility-based token now between Shiba Inu, Bone, Leash, the ecosystem is growing, Shiba Swap, Shibverse, K9. They have so many different things going on for Shiba Inu. So it's far more than just a meme coin. And that's kind of the trend we're seeing in the market. You get a meme coin, you start adding utility, and people start following behind it. Talking about meme coins and utility and new coins, let's talk about Dogecoin for a second. A coin we actually covered a few times on this channel already. It's currently in the pre-sale, guys. And in 13 hours, the pre-sale prices are about to raise. They've already raised $11 million worth of market cap in just a few weeks. Dogeverse is the first world's traveling Doge, and it's on 6 different exchanges between Ethereum, BNB, Polygon, AVAX, Base, and Solana. Buy and claim Dogeverse on any of the following chain. Cosmo is a chain hopping Doge. He's basically hopping around the supernova on all the 6 most popular, most stellar exchanges. So the Dogeverse token will be launched on Ethereum, BNB, Polygon, Solana, Avalanche, and Base, utilizing the superior bridging technology. Dogeverse will be seamlessly multi-chain in just a few clicks. Now, the reason why I'm so bullish on this project, guys, is one, it has a solid tokenomics in place. There's a solid roadmap in place as well. The vision is clear. They want this to be a massive project. I think making the first Doge token on 6 different exchanges is great utility and also a great feature for us to get highlighted in mainstream media coverages and articles. And also, you can't sleep on that $11 million raised, showing a lot of trust in the community. Over 9,000 followers, coming very close to 10,000 follower mark as well. People are bullish for this project, and you don't want to miss out. If you want to grab a bag of Dogeverse, I'm going to link in the description below. And also has Staken as well. So if you want to earn about 100% APY with dynamic range Staken, they got you covered. Now, let's go back to Shiba Inu, as this is a Shiba Inu coverage video. Just want to quickly highlight what's going on with this whole utility space. You know, you put utility in a project and it does well. And we've seen similar things, similar trends across the board in all crypto coins. Now, let's talk about what's going on in the news, because there's a lot of news about Shiba Inu right now. Looks like everybody wants to be talking about Shiba Inu, Pepe, Dogecoin, and Shiba Inu is getting some very, very interesting articles and some bullish things ahead. Shiba Inu, Shib makes a major announcement that we'll take a look at it very soon, but it's regarding the layer 2 and Shibarium and that $12 million they raised just a couple days ago. 3 addresses accumulate a massive amount of Shiba Inu and the price has surged 8%. What Shiba Inu holders need to know before the latest upgrade. So many articles. Shiba Inu forecast to raise 8 cents. What? If Shiba Inu hits 8 cents, guys, we are going to be crypto billionaires. Again, maybe not billionaires, but crypto millionaires for sure. That's absolutely insane. Shiba Inu makes major announcement. The Shib ecosystem has seen the project take to X, formerly known as Twitter, to make a major announcement regarding the meme coin. Indeed, they announced that the layer 2 blockchain technology Shibarium is receiving a transformative upgrade in the coming months. The Shib army was told that an upcoming hard fork was set to go live May 2nd. Moreover, the platform announced various features that would arrive on the network with the update. Specifically, the project noted that these developments will greatly enhance user experience and empower the community of innovators and developers. So it looks like they're trying to build something bigger than just for the community, but also for the developers as well. So one, Shib Army, we are on the brink of transformative upgrade for Shibarium. Through an update of a hard fork expected to go live in May, we're introducing a suite of new features designed to enhance user experience and empower our community of innovators and developers. So again, so many bullish things ahead for Shiba Inu. We're excited. We see this as well. Despite the recent drops, we are still bullish AF. We see that we're setting up a nice formation in that upward trajectory, which could hopefully have Shiba Inu pop off. Huge explosive things coming for Shib. This is the beginning of the 2024 bull run. Once they're starting, there's no stopping. All-time highs coming very soon for Shiba Inu. And honestly, meme coins across the board. I've been very bullish on Shiba Inu from the start, guys. I've been loading up a bag, and so many interesting things happen in the crypto market. You absolutely don't want to miss out. And if you don't want to miss out, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below where you get the latest and greatest meme coin news. And until next time, it's your boy Umar. Remember, not financial advice. Peace.